6. Then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Okay. So the solution is, what is given? Given set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and given set B 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The first question, we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. What do you mean by intersection? I mean set of elements which are there in both the sets. I mean common elements. You can observe what are the common elements which are present in set A and set B. One is the common element, as well as 2 is the common element, as well as 3 is also another common element. So here the common elements are what? 1, 2, 3. So A intersection B equal to what? Set of 1, 2, 3. Okay. Coming to second one, B intersection A. B intersection A. What is B intersection A? B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection. What is A? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, intersection. As we know that intersection is nothing but set of elements which are present in set A and set B. The common elements, again 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. They are the common elements, right? That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, which is our first one and this is our second one. I mean A intersection B, 1, 2, 3. B intersection A is also 1, 2, 3. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we observed? We observed A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. They are asking, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. From 1 and 2, we can say that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Got it? This is our first question. Now coming to second question. I hope you understood first question well. Second question. A equal to 0 to 4. Find A intersection pi. Find A intersection pi and A intersection A. A intersection A common. This is our second question. What is given? Given A equal to set of elements 0 to 4. First one we have to find A intersection B. So solution, given A equal to 0 to 4. A equal to 0 to 4. Okay. We have to find out A intersection pi. What do you mean by pi? Which is an empty set. A set which does not contain any elements. What is pi? Pi is an empty set which does not contain any elements. So first one we have to find A intersection pi. That is A value 0 to 4 intersection nothing but there is no elements in the set. Is there any common elements here? No. There is no common element over here. So A intersection pi equal to again we got intersection means common elements. There is no common elements here. So A intersection pi, from this what we can understood? We understood that A intersection pi which is equal to pi. What we understood? We understood A intersection pi is equal to pi. Coming to second one. Second question, find A intersection A. A intersection A. What is A here? A is 0, 2, 4. Intersection again 0, 2, 4. Intersection is nothing but common elements. So the common elements both are in both the sets 0, 2, 4 is common. So we got again 0, 2, 4. What do you observe here? I mean, when A intersection A is also we got 0, 2, 4. I mean, from this we understood A intersection A is also A only, which is very, very important bits. A intersection pi is equal to pi. A intersection A is equal to A. Got it? This is our second question. Coming to third question. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B. Find A minus B and B minus A. This is our third question. A equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We have to find A minus B. Difference between A and B. B minus A. Difference between B and A. Let me find out A minus B. What is A? A value is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus what is B? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. A minus B. Set which contains element only in elements A but not in B. See, you can observe here what are the common elements. Here 6 is there. Here also 6 is there. Let me cancel 6, 6. Here 8, 10. There is no common elements over there. A minus B means only the elements in A but not in B. So A minus B is equal to 2, 4, 8, 10. 2, 4, 8, 10. Now coming to second one, B minus A. What are the elements in B? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Minus what is A? A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I mean, here element 6 is repeating. So you can cancel 6, 6. That's all. So what is B minus A? Only the elements in B but not in A. Only the elements in B are 3, 9, 12 and 15. Okay. So whether A minus B equal to B minus A? No. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. We observe that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. This is our third question. See, if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets such that A is subset B, then what is A union B? Then what is A union B? Okay. So what is the condition? The condition is A is subset B. Set A which is a subset of set B. Okay. Let A equal to, consider set A. Consider set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and consider set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, that the elements in set A 1, 2, 3 and elements in set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you observe here, you can observe here set A, it consists of elements 1, 2, 3 which is also there in set B. Therefore, we can say that set A is subset of set B. Okay. Now they are asking what is A union B? What is A union B? Let us find out A union B. A means 1, 2, 3. Union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you mean by union? Set of all the elements in set A and set B. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but set B or not? Yes, we got set B. So from this what we understood? If A is subset of B, if A is the subset of B, then